honest, I went into the regular Thai Airways lounge. This is for business class and first class. And I'll be honest, the Miracle Lounge is not as good as the regular Thai lounge. The regular Thai lounge is huge, and they have all kinds of food and everything like that. Now, the Miracle Lounge has food. I'm going to show you in a second, but it's pretty small, and I'm underwhelmed. That's what I'll say. I mean, you know, you want someplace to sit, okay, fine. But the other Thai Airways lounge was better, quite frankly. This one didn't open until 5:30, and the other one was already open. So it's like I could have just stayed in there. So I'm here, Pakbara, on my way to Koh Lipe. It seems like there's a lot more people than I thought. Maybe this is a tourist trap, but we'll see. It's supposed to be very beautiful, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm taking a speedboat from here to Koh Lipe. I don't know, I think it's going to take about half an hour to get there. We'll see. This is my room right here, my bungalow. Pretty nice. Not bad at all, I'm not complaining. 1,000 baht a night. Let me show you around here. No refrigerator, but there is some drinking water here. Nice bed, comfortable bed, sink, toilets, towels, shower, couple of hammocks. Nice place to sit, nice little deck here. We'll have a coffee out here, have a drink, whatever. Good morning. Sawadee Cup. Cup. Well, how am I going to get through this? Well, I'm not. I have to walk through. I have to walk through it. I have to wade through the water. Oh well. So I just got here. I'm figuring the place out a little bit. Got settled in. I'm going to Walking Street right now. Walking Street is supposedly the happening place here. I've been walking and walking and walking, and I can't find a coffee shop. I saw one little tiny coffee shop. I thought, oh, I'm gonna keep going, and I'm sure I can find something. Time to go fly the drone again. I already flew it on Sunrise Beach. Now I'm going to fly it on Pattaya Beach. Tomorrow I'll fly it on Sunset Beach. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do here. It's blazing hot out though, really. So hot. And I don't know if you can see, but I am quite red, and I've already put on all kinds of sunscreen and got my hat on and all this other stuff. So it's just hot. It's just really, really hot. But it's nice. Great time to go swimming. I went swimming this morning. Awesome. Just awesome. For another coconut. So I'm gonna have some water out of the coconut. Maybe I'll eat a little bit of the meat. Need to cool down. Very hot out here. Just finished flying my drone on Pattaya Beach. Now I'm gonna go snorkeling again, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But I've been busy. I've been very busy. So good. I might have to have another one.